How to block pop-ups in Samsung Internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Internet App. After click on Internet App, click on this three line icon and click on Settings. Now in Internet Setting, scroll down and click on Privacy Dashboard. After click on Privacy Dashboard, click scroll down and block pop-ups is here. If you want to block pop-ups in Samsung Internet, so make sure to turn off this button and turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on block pop-ups and click on this three dot icon and click on manage websites. After click on manage website is showing here. If you want to block, turn off website button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can block pop-ups in Samsung Internet on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.